2023 Ram 2500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auxiliary input. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.